This tool roll has a problem. The problem is, I never finished it. Top flap was in the design from the beginning. And at the time I thought it was okay. Good even. Better like this, I told myself. Not necessary to add the top piece. Too bulky. Too bulky, I told myself. But at last, this top flap needs to be added. It needs to be there. It needs to be made fully useful. Not let tools slip out. And it needs to look nice. I do this kind of thing lots of times. It's hard to get started, sure. But it can be, and maybe it's even harder to get to finish. But here it is. Nice.